Ever wonder how your paycheck gets into your bank account without anyone handing you a check? Let's find out. Yes. Payday. Wait. Nobody handed me cash or a check, so how did this money get here? Seriously, how did it get there?
Sounds like we've got a money mystery to solve. Meet ACH, the automated clearinghouse network.
AC what?
Come on, I'll show you. ACH is an electronic network that helps move money between bank accounts.
So like a digital highway for money?
Exactly. Your employer sends payment instructions through the banking system, across the ACH network, and onto your bank. Direct deposit, automatic bill payments, even some bank transfers. ACH may be working behind the scenes.
It's everywhere. Now that's smart.
It's convenient, can automate recurring payments, and reduces the need for paper checks.
So ACH is instant?
Not always. Processing times can vary depending on your bank, timing, and transfer type.
Okay, I get it. ACH helps move money electronically for paychecks, bills, and bank transfers.
Exactly. ACH works behind the scenes to make everyday payments more convenient.
Now I get it. And now you know the path behind your paycheck.
Keep learning, keep winning, and subscribe for more.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.